If you would like to see how I set up my weekly spread in the Go Getter Scallop Disc Planner, stay tuned. What's up, Planner World? It's your girl Shamiza, also known as the Curvy African Planner, here on YouTube and on Instagram. If you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. If you're one of my OGs, y'all know I got nothing but love for ya. So today's video is going to be a plan with me, and I'm going to be setting up my weekly spread in the Go Getter Girl Scalloped Disc Planner, and I'm super excited for it. I broke into my versed planning stash and I found some of the journaling stickers that I had ordered quite a while ago, actually, and I thought it would be great to use it in this week's spread. So here is the sticker sheet. It's giving sexy vibes. You know, we all should be feeling ourselves. So I thought, you know what, I'm having a rough time with my anxiety, and I'm just not being as kind to myself as I should be. So I thought when I opened up this spread to kind of journal my thoughts, this would help me with, you know, thinking a little bit more positive about myself. So this is what we're working with. I also will be using my little ruler and the Papermate Flare pen in black. I don't have any black boxes. I've run out, so I'm doing the next best thing, and I'm drawing my boxes in. So this is what I'll be using, and let's get started. I journal very differently. I don't journal every single day, and that's because sometimes I feel pressured to have to write something every single day in my planner, and sometimes I just either can't because A, I'm a little bit busy, or B, when I am spiraling, I just find that certain things such as writing in my planner every single day is a chore, and it overwhelms me, and then I just can't do it. So I don't really pay attention to the dates, like the days of the week. I just kind of journal whenever I can about whatever it is I'm feeling in that moment in time, or at that moment in time. Okay, so first things first, this is what we are working with. I'm going to take this working on my sensuality sticker, and I'm going to stick it right over here, just like so. Okay, I like that. And then I'm going to take this beauty of a doll, and I'm going to stick her right over here, but I want to add some florals behind it. If you've never ordered from Verse Planning before, I don't know what you guys are waiting for. Like, this Verse Planning stickers are like no other. The quality of the sticker is just phenomenal. They have, like, their shipping time, they're like, it's ridiculous. They literally ship the next day. And like, I know you've heard me say this before, but it literally takes like 5 business days or 6 business days to ship to me, and I'm in Canada. So, I mean, like, if that doesn't tell you just how great it is, I don't know what else you need. So I'm just doing some layering here with these hearts, and I kind of just like put them all over. I don't, like I said, I want this to be like as creative as it possibly can be. So I don't really have any rhyme or reason for why I place certain stickers the way that I do. I just place them. And then that way, like, you know, you don't just necessarily have to write in your planner vertically. You can write horizontally, or like however, whatever you're feeling that day is how you should write in your planner. So just do it, and who cares what anybody says or thinks. So I have really been committing myself to my planning, as well as like wanting to grow on YouTube as well as Instagram. Sometimes I get a little discouraged because, you know, I don't get very many views on my videos, but then I just have to keep reminding myself that like good things will come. It just takes some time. And I know I'm not the only one that's struggling with the views. I know that there are quite a few people out there who also struggle with their views. And so I'm just trying to take it like one day at a time and focus on like the content more so than like how many views I get, because I do, like I said, I do get a little discouraged. So that's what I've been working on. And honestly, since I've done that, I find that my spreads are coming out so much more beautiful, and like there's intention behind the spreads that I do. And I like that. I like that I'm able to incorporate that in my spreads. So I want to be able to create like meaningful spreads. And then I also want to be able to, you know, everybody wants the views, right? There's not one person who doesn't want the views. So all I'm gonna say is, if you guys are trying really hard, keep on going. Don't give up. I'm mainly also saying this because like I'm giving myself this little pep talk. Like, don't give up. You got this. So here we are, and I'm really liking the way the spread is coming out so far. And what I'm going to do is like in these hearts. So if you don't know about verse planning, they have their own pen. They have their own pen, and it's because like you can't really write on their stickers because their stickers are like so buttery soft, and no matter what pen you use, whether it's the Papermate Flare or if it's like the Jelly Roll, they smudge, they don't dry. So Verse Planning came out with their own version of a pen, and they actually have a whole bunch of colors releasing on Friday, March. I need to see the date. I can't remember the date. 8, 9, 10th, March 10th. On March 10th, they are releasing a bundle, like a package bundle of their pen in many different colors. And I want to say that the bundle of pens are $25. So if you're interested in purchasing, please consider using my code. I will have it in the description box below for you. Use my code, save yourself some coins at checkout. You'll get like 15% off, which is pretty good. And then you'll have like a pack of pens that you can use on the Verse Planning stickers. Of course, for my planner friends who, because I know there are some of you who are doing a no spend March, if you have a Sharpie pen at home, this will work too. The only difference is that the Sharpie pen is like a little bit more of a fine point, and then the Verse Planning pen is a little bit thicker. But either way, both pens work. You know, just do what's best for you. I don't want to tell you that you need to go buy something when you don't need it. There are options. Okay, now I have one more sticker left, and I'm kind of debating on maybe I want to use it, but I'm kind of like, what should I do with it? So I think I'm going to cut it in half so I can use it on both sides of the paper. And like, even to cut the stickers, it's just like butter. Like, oh my god, it's so nice. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put this one here. In the corner. And then I have one here, and I think I'll just kind of, oops, put it, maybe I'll do it this way because I cut it off this way. And then I can cover the Monday and Tuesday, just like that. Kind of looks weird, I feel like it doesn't really go. So let's lift it off. Not a big deal. One of the great things about their stickers too is like I've never had an issue peeling their stickers off. I've never had to I've never had to use undo for this either. Like their stickers just peel right off, just like so. And then I'm gonna cover up Tuesday with my Uniball Signo white gel pen. So I'll cover up this part here. I prefer the Uniball Signo over the over whiteout sometimes, because like here you can actually like trace the letters, and so when you're whiting it out, it comes out a little bit cleaner versus you using whiteout, where it's like I always feel obligated to like cover the whiteout because it leaves like such a thick line. I don't know. I'm weird, I know, but I can't be the only one, honestly. Okay, so then what I'm doing is I'm literally just taking off the backing of the sticker, throwing it out. I am actually saving all of these sticker sheets because at the end of the year, I want to see how many sticker sheets I actually used up, because I'm a bit of a hoarder. So this just kind of helps me with not hoarding my stickers as much. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this crown over here, and then this sticker could go right over here. Okay, so now that we have all the stickers laid, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with this. Look at that, guys. I used 2 whole sticker sheets for one spread. That's awesome. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my pencil and my ruler, and I'm doing it in pencil first because I want to just kind of like, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I do want my boxes to be, I guess it doesn't matter, like I could just go right in with the pen and not waste so much time. Okay, so let's start with this page first. So I'm just going to make defined boxes. And the reason why I do that is because I then like either change up my lettering when I'm writing, or I write down like one word or like something, maybe like an activity or something I did that day. Or not specifically that day, but like something that stood out when I'm kind of journaling, something that stood out at that moment. So, because like I said, I don't journal every day. If I do happen to journal like let's say for example, I journal on Monday. If I do happen to write what's happened on Monday, then I will kind of add in a special whatever it is that happened that day. But if I don't get to it until like, for example, the end of the week, then that's just what it is. Then I like recap the week, and then I'm like, okay, this is what happened, this is what I did, and then I just kind of make it look all pretty that way. And this also then like fills up some space, which is nice, because I'm not a huge fan on white space. So this just kind of fills in some of that space. Awesome. I think I'm going to do a little bit of shadowing so that this line is a little bit thicker. Then the rest, just to kind of bring in some dimension. And the great thing about this is that, like, I use this specifically for creativity, like creative journaling, so that I'm not like doing, you know, like the mundane, like just writing in a notebook, because for me that doesn't work for me. I like it when my pages are like decorated, and it just kind of entices me to want to write some more and actually use it. So this is what the finished spread looks like. We can pop it back into the planner so you can see what it looks like when it's all in. My planner is getting a little chunky because I have like 6 months worth of dailies and then 6 months worth of weeklies, and then when you're adding stickers and stuff, it like thickens up the page. So this is what it looks like when it is in the planner. I'm really obsessed with it. I appreciate you guys being here with me today. If I've done this video justice, please do give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and that post notification button so that you guys know every single time that I upload. I appreciate you guys being here with me today. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!